What's everybody? I hope everybody is doing great. And welcome again here in Suzette's Kitchen. For today's video, I'm going to share to you my recipe of Hawaiian pizza. It's a very simple recipe, so I hope you will watch until the end. So I have all the ingredients here, so let's start now. So of course, before going to start, tie up my hair and wash your hands. Right? Wash your hands. let's wait. Let it cool first, then we're going to eat. Guys, let's try the pizza. Perfect for the summer party because summer is coming here in Japan. It's a perfect preparation for your visitors. Cheers! You speak English? What do you think? Yummy? So guys, we're done with our pizza, but I have also a suggestion, especially this summer vacation, especially for kids, the ice cream, avocado ice cream, and the mango ice cream. So please do watch the part 2 of this video, but before anything else, of course, we can't forget the shoutout time. I would like to welcome Miss Bellany Kiss, FF Mobile Legend, Natalie RR Sarigar, Monica Potri, and Hermine Restiante, Summer Vibes, and Kabulak Ball Channel. Thank you so much, guys. You are welcome here in Suzette's Kitchen. Of course, thank you so much for the full support of Suzette's Kitchen family. Hi, salamat po. Thank you. And for those who are new here in my channel, your subscription over there, if you can click that, I certainly appreciate it. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you're going to share this recipe of mine to your friends or family, I will be grateful for it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and always remember that every day there's a reason to smile. And see you in my next video. Part 2 of this video. I'm going to make the ice cream. Bye guys!